It's Big Mike with Let's Ride Motorcycle Repair, your mobile motorcycle technician. So let's go over the overall process of troubleshooting a no-start bike. With a no-start bike, you always start at the battery. Without troubleshooting the battery, you have no chance in the world of trying to figure out what the problem is. If the battery's bad, you have to replace it, but then you have to continue troubleshooting. The biggest, I think, plus to troubleshooting any no-start motorcycle is if it cranks. If it cranks, you know the battery's got enough juice to crank it. You know that the battery's engaging the starter. You know the starter solenoid's working. And you know that the electrical connections are good enough for everything to kind of start getting up and getting going. From that, you can kind of jump forward to the spark plugs. Remove the spark plugs, see if you have spark. If you have spark, then you've got your ignition coils that are working, you've got your spark plug wires that are working, and you know that you're getting spark through your spark plug. So you know that you've got spark, you've got juice to go ahead and turn the engine. Then you can start focusing on whether it is gas or whether it's air related or whether it is compression related. So gas, you want to make sure that you can hear your fuel pump spool up. So if you can go ahead and feel you or turn your key on, you hear the bzzz to where your fuel pump is pumping fuel to your engine, then you're good there. You may have a clogged injector, but most of the time if you can hear it pump up, then you're good to go. On a carbureted bike, you just want to make sure that the gas is going into the float, into the bowl, and making sure that in the bowl it is actually being sucked through. Sometimes you can get air bubbles in your fuel filter, inline fuel filter for definite. You can get a clogged fuel filter. You can have several things with your fuel lines: clogged line that's pinched, kinked, whichever, or a line that has a hole in it. Once you can confirm that you have spark, now if you don't have spark, you got to backtrack. You got to go back and make sure the wires are good, and if the wires are good, then you got to start troubleshooting your ignition coil. If those two are still good and you're still not getting spark, you're looking at a crankshaft sensor or some sort of crankshaft positioning sensor on your motorcycle. Or you could be looking at a timing issue. And if it's a timing issue that you have, then of course that's a whole nother ball of wax that you have to go. That's the process that I go through. That's the information that I have for you today. Have a great day. Have a blessed day. And in everything you do, do it right. This is Big Mike from Let's Ride Motorcycle Repair, your mobile motorcycle technician. Saying, hey, let's ride.